I'm at UNCSA in the big open field, and I hear lots of cars this way, and sounds like a lot of traffic over in the city. I hear this guy tearing down branches by the tree. I hear my friend walking on the sidewalk. I hear a plane somewhere up here. I like planes. I hear people walking over there in the grass. And I hear my friend laughing. I hear more cars down this way. Here I am in Winston, somewhere in Winston-Salem, and I hear some cars this way, and I hear lots of cars on the road over there, and I hear the sound of an engine on that car. I hear my friend groaning. I hear my other friend banging on her windshield, and I hear a plane in the sky over here, I think. Yeah.